Hello everyone, we're doing chicken and rice today, and I'm starting by melting butter in a saucepan along with a can of cream of mushroom, cream of celery, and cream of chicken. I'm just stirring everything together, making sure it's combined really well, and here's the rice we're going to add in just a second. Everything's combined, so I'm adding 2 cups of water, and I'm going to stir that a bit as well. As you saw briefly at the beginning of the video, I've already seasoned both sides of the chicken with salt, pepper, onion powder, and garlic powder. Now it's time to add our rice. We're going to add 1 1/4 cups of rice, and we're not trying to cook it. We're just going to stir it into our mixture so that it's well combined. Just combine it. Now we're just going to spray our pan with some non-stick cooking spray. Now we're just going to add our mixture to our baking dish. Here I'm spreading the rice around just to make sure it's not concentrated to one area. And last but certainly not least, we're going to add our chicken tenders to the dish. This is actually easier if you want to put on a plastic glove and just put them in with your hands. Push the tenders down a bit so that they're covered by the sauce. And make sure they're all covered. And here it is. Feel free to use less butter if that bothers you. It'll be just fine. It'll still be nice and tender. This chicken is so tender. This rice is so tender. The flavors have all melded together. It's just going to be a really tasty dish. Look how tender that is. If you're using 2 pounds of meat, you can probably decrease the time to about 1.5 hours. But for 3 to 4 pounds of meat, go ahead and do 2 hours. Thanks.